Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first one, let's select these arrow layers. First select this A1 layer and let's zoom to here and go to pan behind. Move the anchor point left. Then select this A2. Also make someone, move the anchor point left, select A3, move the anchor point left, and A4, move the anchor point left. Then click selection tool, and first select this A4, let's press P, and move to here, let's move right. Let's first select these T layers, and let's move it down like this. Okay, so select this A4 and move it down. Let's make new position keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. Let's click here, write plus 10, click OK. And let's move to left like this. Let's zoom to here. Okay, let's move it down like this, and let's animation. Okay, select keyframes, let's make easies, let's see. Okay, and go to graph editor, select this graph, let's make graph like this. Okay, back to keyframes, let's go to last keyframe and select this A4. Let's hold shift press R, open rotation, and make rotate keyframe, go to 3 keyframe. For shortcut you can use page down for go to 1 keyframe and change rotation, let's change 6 and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change -3, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 1 or change 1.5, go to 3 keyframe, change 0. Select rotation keyframes, let's make easies, let's see. Nice, select these rotation keyframes, let's move to left. Okay, very good. So in this time let's select these T layers, let's link to main tree, select this main tree layer and press S, let's change scale, let's move it up like this, change scale more and move it down a little bit. Okay, and select this A4. Let's go to last keyframe, select this position and move it back here. Let's see. Nice. So select these all keyframes, 2 position and rotation keyframes. Let's copy with Ctrl C and select other arrow layers. Go to first, second, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, let's select these A3, press P, select position keyframes and move it up, and let's move to right. Nice. Select this A2, press P, select position keyframes, move it down, and select this layer A1, press P, and select position keyframes, move it up, and let's move to right, and this move to right. Okay, very nice. So let's close keyframe settings. And let's select this T1, go to solo, select anchor point, move to here, click selection tool, and let's press R, and let's make rotation keyframes. Let's go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift press page down in keyboard and change rotation -3, go to 10 keyframe, change 1.5, go to 10 keyframe, change 0. Select keyframes, make easies. Okay, select all keyframes, let's hold Alt, move to left. Okay, so select this keyframe, let's Ctrl C and go to here, select T2 and let's go to solo, move the anchor point down, click selection tool and let's Ctrl V. And let's press U, select keyframes, move to right. Let's move to right again. and this. Okay, select this T3 and move the anchor point here. Clickation tool, and let's go to here. In this time, let's Ctrl V. Nice. And select this T4. Let's move the anchor point here. And Ctrl V right now. Okay, very good. Okay, select this T6 and let's go to first second, press P, make new position keyframe and move it down a little bit. Go to 10 keyframe, move it up. Again, go to 10 keyframe, move it down, and again move it up. And select keyframes, let's make easies. And hold Alt, move to left. Select keyframes, move right. Okay, so let's go to shape layers and go to pen tool. Let's zoom to here. Let's make one shape like this. And clickation tool, change stroke width 0. Go to fill and let's use this color. Click OK. And let's select this A1. Let's see. Let's last keyframe and move to right this shape layer. Nice. Let's duplicate the shape layer and move it down. Go to pen tool and make like this. Okay. And let's see which layer this. Okay, it is A3 and let's see timing. Let's move to here. Nice. And let's duplicate this shape layer, move it down, and let's see timing. Okay, let's move to left and go to pen tool. Let's make like this. Now let's change a little bit. Okay, nice. And finally, let's Ctrl D for duplicate shape layer and move to right, move it down, and let's go to again pen tool, change this. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's select this A2 layer, press U, and make new position keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe, move it down. Go to back and make rotation keyframe, go to some keyframes and chain rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, select keyframe, move to right, and this move to right. Let's select keyframes, go to graph editor, and let's zoom to here. Let's make graph like this. Let's try to move to left. Okay, back to keyframes, and let's select this A3. Press P, make new position keyframe, go to here, move it down, and go to back, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, go to here and chain rotation like this. Make keyframes again for falling. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Let's move it down, last keyframe, and let's try change graph. Okay, not bad. And select this A4 and press P, make new position keyframe, go to some keyframes and move it down, go to back, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, go to here and chain rotation like this. And go to graph editor, make graph smooth. Okay. Select keyframes, let's move to right. Let's move to right again. And finally select last arrow, let's press P. Make new pattern keyframe, go to some keyframes, move to down and go to back, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, go to here and chain rotation. Nice, not bad. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.